Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to create a subroutine with arguments in it. So I'm going to create it up here. So the first one is sub, and we're going to call this info, and we're going to pass it some arguments. So a scalar name argument, scalar age argument, and scalar country argument. And then we're going to print them out. Say scalar name, scalar age, and scalar country. Okay, and now we're going to do info here, and we're going to pass a name into here, an age and a country. So I'm going to do Billy Bob. Okay. 99. So he's a bit of an old codger, and USA. Okay, so we'll do that. We'll save it, and now all we have to do is run the program down here. Raku new.raku. Hit enter, and there we go. We've got Billy Bob 99 USA. So I hope that's been useful to you, and if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.